Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to film my Halloween room tour for 2024. And yeah, let's just get started. So first on my door, we have my Happy Halloween sign. Over here, we have this duck, super cute. We have the mayor with some orange lights. We have this little pumpkin, my mirror decals, a spider, this cute little skull. Over here is my bed. We have a little turkey for Thanksgiving, Hocus Pocus characters, my ghost face blanket, Nightmare Before Christmas, Squishmallows, just a random little Snoopy there, and then cute gnomes for Halloween. Love that pillow. And then over here we have a pumpkin R. This is my setup by my TV. I'm just gonna go through everything real quick and show you. Cute little ghost, Jack Skellington. This is my favorite area. We have all these cool candles, my perfume holder, pumpkin, some spiders, bat, my cup, some things up here, little pumpkin spice and everything nice sign, my Happy Halloween balloon, and then my two bags. This one's from Loungefly, and that one, I don't remember where that's from, but yep, that is my Halloween room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.